Okay, Bismillah. Okay, folks, welcome back. We're looking at shaded fractions today. What I would like my students to do is give me two answers. Okay, yeah, two answers per question. So what I'm going to do here, first of all, we'll start with a nice easy one. Okay, we go with it. Okay. Now, if you look at the shape over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Keyword is 4 equal parts. So we can say quite confidently that 1/4 of the shape is shaded, which is this part over here. And the part that's not shaded is the white part, is 1, 2, 3. So we have 3/4, which is not shaded. Okay, so that's the white part. Quarter shaded, 3/4 not shaded. Now, are we happy with that first question? Okay, I want everybody now to do for me question number 2 and question number 3 right now, please.
In our books.
On the sheet.
Not shaded.
Okay, Fahmi, can you give me some assistance on question number 2 then? What do you give for answers?
I got for the shaded part.
Shaded was?
Third.
Okay, Layla, what do you get?
For the shaded part.
Yeah. And how much is not shaded, Layla? 2/3, lovely. Okay, this one here, let's have Mr. Yusuf. How much shaded? And how much not shaded? Good. Right, question number 4 is a bit of a trick question because the shaded area is not equal, has got equal pieces in it. So what we need to do, we need to put equal pieces in there. So we can get a straight line. Okay, now if I put those two lines and make them darker, now you can see how many portions were in the dark part, in the shaded part. So how many pieces are there now altogether? Now that we can see that, what conclusion? Okay, Yusuf, how many are shaded?
8. No, 3 out of 8. Sorry.
3 pieces out of 8 pieces are shaded, and
5
out of
8
are unshaded. What should these two fractions add up to? 1. 8/8 or 1. Okay. So now, where they haven't put the lines in dark and they've kind of hidden it, what should we do? Put them in.
Yeah.
So the pieces are equal sizes.
Yes.
Okay. So for example, I'm going to just do a couple of ones which are missing.
I get you, but then I'm a bit confused.
Here you go. There you go. There's nothing confused. Just go over the existing lines.
I know how to do, but I'm just confused on the second column. The
Second column.
yeah, number 7. This is the same thing.
Number 7, they're both half. You don't. They already are halves.
I took the design of it.
Yeah, this is trying to trick you. Wow, this thing is not a second, is it?
Don't you have that pen?
That's it. There you go. Done. Okay. Let's start putting in some of the answers now.
Can we do all of them?
We will be doing all of them here. So this one here, how many shaded now? Now we put the extra bar in there. Layla, close the door, please. So we have 2 out of
5.
5. And how much are not shaded?
3 out of 5.
3 out of 5. That one's color is a bit light. This one, how many shaded?
1/4.
And they are not shaded?
3/4.
Okay, right. I want you to do all these questions.
Yes.
This question number 13, we're not doing question number 13. And number 16, we're not doing number 16.
What about number 24?
And number 15 is a bit difficult because the lines. So we're just going to miss a couple of questions out. I want you to do, the ones with the, I think number 20. Let's go to the page now. Can we just go from the top to the bottom now, please, folks? Off you go. To number 14. Let's put the blocks back on.
1, 2, 3.
Here, I want you to look at this top share these lines and tell me how much of each line is shaded. So, for example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6.
5 shaded out of
6.
just one answer only required.
3.
Okay, so to do all these one down here, please, and stop when you get to here. Stop here.
Okay. Let's stop.
Stop where or there?
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 5.
1, 2, 3 out of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Isn't that, folks? So you see something that looks like this. 3 pieces for the first one, 3, 1 piece which looks like this here. 1/3, 1/6, 2. As I said, 2/5.
Yeah. We've made it right. So good, right? Alright.
So 1 more piece.
Yeah.
So this piece should be split in 5 in the middle. 3/5 is going to be here. Just the top part. 5/6 means everything here. All those parts.
So finished.
Good. For percentage shaded, let's see if we can answer those. So we have 1, 2, 3 pieces out of 4. So 3/4 of the percentage gives us what? 75%. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded out of 5.
So it's gonna be 20%? No, wait.
20, 40, 80%.
80%. Each fifth is worth 20.
Yeah.
Now, for the following question at the bottom, they want you to shade in those percentages. Can you do that for me, please?
Yes.
So 25%, they want you to shade in how much? Quarter of it.
So 1.
So it's 1 piece. So they want 12.5%, which is that, what's that?
It's
So it's
Half of a quarter.
It's less than 1.
It's half of a quarter. What's half of a quarter?
Half of a quarter.
It's half.
It's half of it.
Half of a quarter is half a quarter.
Yeah. You do half of it.
What's half of 1 quarter?
1/8.
1/8. There you go, 1/8. Because a quarter is 25% and 12.5 is half of that. Okay, now 33.3% Layla. What is 33.3%? Layla, is your name Layla? 33 and a third percent is worth how much is the fraction? Is worth 1/3. So out of every 3 pieces, you shade in 1. So here's 1 out of this 3. There's another 3 shaded in another 1. So you got to shade 2. I'll let you do the rest of the questions for the moment. Okay, let's have a look which ones you got here. Right. So we have now 75% for question number 29, which is this is 1/4.
Yeah.
Down here. So it's all of this, all of this. And so it's all of here. So 75% is 3/4.
Yes.
33.3% is 1/3, so you just shade in 1 leg. 50% is a half, so you shade in half of the shape. 20% is worth 1/5, so you shade in 1/5. 50% is a half, so you just shade in 2 pieces. 60% is going to be what? 3/5. So you shade in 3 pieces. 66 and 6% is going to be 2/3. So out of every 3, you shade in 2. So you end up shading how many here?
6.
How many do you end up shading?
4.
4. And that's the end of that exercise.